This Thanksgiving, pack your patience and maybe change your flight. Thousands of union workers are expected to protest at more than a dozen airports. This as more than 2.8 million people are expected to fly during the Thanksgiving rush. According to Travel + Leisure, Union Unite Here has planned protests for November 26 at these 17 airports, striking over wages and benefits of catering workers. The strike is largely affecting American Airlines. According to a press release by the union, 1 in 4 workers who provide food and drinks to American Airlines at its hubs and who work for subcontractors LSG Sky Chefs and Gate Gourmet earn less than $12 per hour, including many who have been in their jobs for over a decade. The union also points out a third of those surveyed are uninsured. According to Forbes, the union is seeking a $15 national wage floor, plus added seniority pay. American says it has encouraged the catering companies to make a deal with the unions.